Hello and welcome to our video about how Bernard Arnault became a successful businessman. In this video, we'll explore the key factors that contributed to Arnault's success and how you can apply them to your own life. Bernard Arnault was born in Roubaix, France in 1949. He came from a wealthy family and attended some of the best schools in the country, including the École Polytechnique and the École des Mines. Arnault initially worked for his father's construction company before taking over as CEO in 1978. He quickly expanded the company's operations into the real estate sector and later into luxury goods. Under Arnault's leadership, LVMH grew rapidly, acquiring iconic brands such as Louis Vuitton, Givenchy, and Fendi. Today, the company boasts more than 70 brands and is valued at over $300 billion. Arnault is known for his hands-on approach to running the company, and he is involved in all major decisions. He is also known for his focus on innovation, investing heavily in research and development to stay ahead of the competition. So, what are the secrets to Bernard Arnault's success? Visionary leadership. Arnault is a visionary leader who is always thinking ahead. He saw an opportunity in the luxury goods market and capitalized on it by acquiring iconic brands and expanding the company's global reach. Focus on innovation. Arnault is not afraid to take risks and innovate. He introduced new products, revamped existing brands, and invested heavily in research and development to stay ahead of the competition. Surround yourself with talent. Arnault has surrounded himself with talented and capable individuals who share his vision and work towards achieving the company's goals. He empowers his employees and gives them the freedom to innovate and contribute to the company's success. Persistence and hard work. Arnault is a workaholic who puts in long hours and has a hands-on approach to running his business. He is laser-focused on his goals and works tirelessly to achieve them. Despite his busy schedule, Arnault is also active in philanthropy, donating millions to various causes such as health and education. He is also a collector of contemporary art and owns one of the world's largest private collections. Arnault has been married twice and has 5 children. He is known for being fiercely private and rarely gives interviews to the media. In conclusion, Bernard Arnault's success story is truly inspiring. By following his example and learning from his lessons, we can all achieve success in our own lives. Thank you for watching.